CMS20 also fully considers the customer experience in terms of installation reliability and ease of use. The universal joint is made of composite rubber material and injection molding process. This is an installation guidance video for the CMS20 system, which demonstrates well the convenience of equipment installation and debugging. The alarm logic of CMS20 completely follows the alarm logic of 960C53 black light. The in-car audible and visual alarm of CMS20 is integrated with the DP12S display, which makes the solution simpler. The last video perfectly demonstrates that large vehicles, with the support of the CMS20 intelligent blind spot system, can provide drivers with full safety protection.
Bongo IoT, intelligent telematics,